Hey everyone, I'm Nikhil here, welcome to Nikhil Tech. Now in this video, I'm going to do the unboxing of this Google Home Mini. On the left side, you can see this, what it can do. On the right side, you can see some of the services which are compatible with this Google Home Mini. On the back, you can see small and mighty and some information about this Google Home Mini. On the top, we have nothing. At the back, we have the color and some other specifications of this Google Home Mini. Let's open this box now. Let's lift it up. At front we have this Google Home Mini. It has fabric texture to it. Here we have USB port and mute switch for this Google Home Mini. To mute this Google Home Mini, we want to push this button. At the bottom we have this Google logo in silicone. Let's keep this to a side and see what else we have in this box. Here we can see let's get started guide. We get to this in the later part of this video. And next we have this Google power adapter. At the back you can see this Google logo. Now let's see what we have in this get started. It says to plug it in and download the app to get started. This thing says get to know your Google Home Mini, and inside you can see what Google Home Mini can do. And next booklet says be safe. It is safety and warranty guide. So that's for now guys. I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe to Nikhil Tech to watch more videos like this. If you like this video, click the like button, and thanks for watching guys.